a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and I say it's been the ruins of many of poor boys and God. I know I want.
What is up in the Loop fans? It's Drew here in northern Kentucky. Gonna head over to Cincinnati. It's actually snowing, you can't see it. But stop number one, we're at Raising Cane's. This is what we're gonna do in the 15 hours we are in Cincinnati, the northern Kentucky area. So stop number one, Raising Cane's. For the record, this place is delicious, and those Raising Cane's haters, well, I don't like you. And look, you can see the snow behind the sign. That's awesome. Although it's really cold, and I don't really like snow, but it's cool to see because I live in Florida. And here's what we got from Raising Cane's. Got the chicken finger sandwich. So you got 3 chicken fingers and some lettuce and cane sauce, and it's delicious. Over here you just got the regular chicken. Is that Texas toast?
Yes.
It's delicious. Great stuff. All right, where are we at? We're in Florence, y'all. Just like the sign says. So we're staying at a loft hotel. Never stayed at one of these before. They got a pretty sweet looking lobby bar though. It's called WXYZ. I wonder why that is. All right, so we are staying at the Aloft in Newport, Kentucky, and check out this view. We're looking straight at the Hofbrau House right across the street. Fantastic. Obviously, we're gonna visit that later. That's not really why we're here, but that's definitely a bonus. And check out the size of this TV. I've never stayed in a loft before, but I mean, so you've got some fancy artwork, window shades, things. Oh, these actually come down. That's the window shade. That's the beauty of that. That's pretty cool. And then a big giant king bed with some artwork of Cincinnati up above it. I like that. Coming around here, got our bathroom. So you got the sink outside and the safe and the coffee maker, and then toilet and shower. So it's got the push on the wall. I get it. It's better for the environment. I don't really like that, but whatever. But nice shower, toilet, and all of this good stuff here in our hotel room. All right, guys, here's the real reason we came to Cincinnati. It's the Cincinnati Cyclones have Beast Night. Check out this bobblehead. I haven't opened him up yet, but look at that. He's riding the Beast. That's the captain guy. I don't know who it is. Justin, that guy, Justin Vave. And we got History of the Beast. It's awesome. The Beast on the box. Oh, that's so exciting. And that's why we are here tonight in Cincinnati. Oh, and check this out. 7-Up RC Cola, Big Red, Sunkissed. This is awesome. One thing to note, it's $5 beer night. So you get little small beers here, but they are $5. We got some Cincinnati Craft. This is Cherry Wood. This is a double IPA. I'm not sure which one it is, but you know what? It's delicious.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Up to the top. And here we go. Going to the left. To the left. To the left. To the left. Now back over to the right. To the right. To the right. To the right. Wave those hands. Stick those fingers out. Okay. Straight up in the air. Straight up in the air. Back to the left again. And to the right. Back to the left. Right again. Another right. Another right. Fingers are waving. Straight up in the air. Back to the right again. Straight up again. Back to the left. Up top again one more time. Hands in the air. Everybody scream. That was what a ride.
Notice they didn't reference any airtime. All right, here's a quick overview of the crowd, and man, lots of people here tonight for this game.
Make your way to Holy Grail on the base after tonight's game. You can enjoy pub grub and drinks with
Very exciting.
The Holy Grail is
Also, lots of tarped off seats they don't let people sit in. Pork Chop's one of the mascots here. That's his name down there, or Puck Chop. It's a cool name. Hanging out down below. Isn't this awesome? All right.
This is how you want to go down the ladder because the lesson to me last time one fell.
You want to go back there? Okay.
All right, we're off. We're on the Fan Zam here. The Chick-fil-A cow is right there, and we're going onto the ice. This is going to be awesome. Here we go.
What's your name, sir?
Maybe not right now.
3, 2, 1, sumo. It's B-Rock snap. There's a slippery spot there. And coffee. And he just go to T-Bone. Hit B-Rock. You're almost there. He is almost out. Get the feet out. Get the feet out. Visually out. Visually out. All right. Back to your corners. Back to your corners. B-Rock and T-Bone.
All right, friends, we are on the Fan Zam on the ice. Look at this. Oh, it's so cool. Look at that. That's this quality in the loop content right here. Zamboni POV. That's the full crowd. Man throwing things off to the crowd. And the Chick-fil-A cow's getting off. Oh, this is so cool. All right, guys, it's the jersey bid here now. Check how crazy this is going out. All right, the jersey's at $500 right now. All right, so we just finished Beast Night Fan Zam. What'd you think?
It was great. I loved it.
Oh man, lots of good fun there. Lots of craft beer from Cincinnati. Jersey auction's way too high. When the first one went to 500 and something, I didn't know the guy's name. I really wasn't gonna bid any more than $100 anyway, and that was the starting bid, so no thank you. Lots of people wanted those jerseys, so that's really cool for them. Good for them. We had fun. Fan Zam was awesome. Fan Zam awesome?
Awesome.
Yeah, that was great. Now we're waiting for our Uber. Green light, let's cross the street. All right, so we're crossing the street here now, waiting on our Uber. Going back to Kentucky. Gonna go to White Castle. White Castle's delicious, but overall great time. Met some great friends. Met up with friend of the show, Homer. So good stuff. Trash cans don't look this awesome, but this one's covered in snow. And look at all this snow over here. Man, it's weird seeing snow. I grew up in New England, but it's been years. I haven't seen snow since, since a coaster crew event at Dollywood. It snowed on their final night as we were in the hot tub. So it's been many years since I've seen all this snow. But look at that beauty right there. It's White Castle. White Castle time, everybody. We're gonna go get some sliders and have some fun. Here we go, heading into White Castle. All right, here we are at White Castle. It's crazy. Lots of food here that we don't have here in Orlando, but White Castle. Devour some sliders. All right, so I got one chicken slider because I was curious, and then we got 10 beef sliders and some fries. This should be delicious. It's a bold move. So peaceful. And now we're at Hofbrau House. Got our liters of beer. This place, not too hopping. Not a whole lot of people here. But here we are. Drinking liters of beer. Will this be the last stop tonight? Probably. Will we make our flight tomorrow? Maybe. But you know what? This is still great. You want to join the mug club and get your mug locked up? You can do that here. And here is a picture from Oktoberfest. Can you find me? I don't know if I'm here, but I've been in this beer tent before. So that's cool. Hofbrau House. All right, friends, I'm tired, but it's now 4:30 in the morning. Time for the Uber to come pick me up, head to the airport, and conclude these 15 hours here in Cincinnati, Newport, Kentucky. It's been fantastic. White Castle, Raising Cane's, hockey game, Beast bobblehead, Hofbrau House. Well, I don't think I could do any better than that. Obviously, I could have done with more sleep. As you can tell, my eyes are exhausted. But that's what the airplane's for. Gonna sleep on the airplane and go to work later today. But it's been great. Wouldn't regret it. No regrets. Just me all alone, waiting for the Uber. And our Uber got us here. We're now here at the airport. Airport's great. Early morning flight. Can't wait to be home. Can't wait to nap on the plane. I'm tired. Now I just wait for my bus. Take me back to the parking lot. Trip is over. It's a wrap. It's done. 15 hours in Cincinnati, northern Kentucky area. It's still cold. It's Florida cold though, so it's I wonder where those people are going. It's like they're gonna miss their bus. But all good times. Good times. It's Florida cold. It's like 50 degrees, which feels almost identical to what 30 degrees up north. That's crazy, but that's what it feels like. All right, now back home. That concludes our 15 hours here in Cincinnati. Check out this bobblehead here. He is without any box. And I mean, that's awesome. I don't know who he is. I'm sure you guys do. He's a minor league player, but head bobbles on the Beast coaster. You got coaster track all around there. Looks awesome. Love it. So thanks for watching this video and all of our other videos. Yes, thanks for watching. I'm glad you came to visit me.